Sales agents can be paid commissions based on fixed criteria automatically in Tract. Let's see how to add sales agents. Go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Add/Edit Sales Agents. To add a new sales agent, click New. Type in the name of the agent. These fields are optional. The commissions calculations can be one of these three methods. 1. Certain percentage of the total charges. 2. Fixed payment regardless of charges. 3. Payments based on specific procedures carried out. 1. For percentage-based commissions, enter the percentage here. If there is any minimum commission amount, enter it here. E.g. if RM5 is entered as the min amount, and the commission calculated from the percentage is RM3, RM5 will be paid instead of RM3. If there is any maximum commission amount, enter it here. E.g. if RM50 is entered as the max amount, and the commission calculated from the percentage is RM300, RM50 will be paid instead of RM300. 2. Enter the fixed commission amount here if you need flat commissions regardless of the charges. 3. If commissions are to be paid based on certain procedures, enter the percentage here. If this method is selected, the percentages for every procedures must be specified under Procedures/Surgeries and Investigations Incentives. For this example, we entered these values. Click Add to save. If method 3 is selected to calculate commissions, based on procedures, specify the percentages here under Procedures/Surgeries and Investigations Incentives. Enter the percentages of the commissions for the procedures that qualify for commissions. Note that the percentages can be set differently for cash and panel patients. Make sure to click Save for every procedure saved. Now let's see how to assign an agent to a patient. In the registration page, select the patient, or register for new patients. Click Create Visit No. Click the waiting list icon to list patients registered for visits. This is the patient that we have just created a visit. Click on this box to show the allocation box. Search for the agent here and select from the drop-down list. Click Save to assign this agent to this patient. To check, click on this area again. The agent that we have just saved is shown. If the agent is not saved/tagged here, it can also be done in the Collections page. Once the doctor has completed the consultation, continue to the collection page as usual. Open the waiting list and select the patient. The assigned agent will be shown here at the bottom. It is also possible to assign or change the sales agent in this box. Simply type in the agent's name and select from the drop-down list. Before updating this visit, enter the payment made by the patient. In this example, we put the payment under cash. Click Update to save. To track and pay commissions to the sales agents, go to the admin page. Click Account. Specify the period to list the visits from. In this example we select this month. Scroll down and click Sales Agents Payments. This is the agent's name. The numbers in gray below the name indicate the commission percentage set for this agent. The numbers inside the brackets indicate the minimum and maximum commissions. 0 indicates no minimum or maximum commissions have been set. Here the patients that are tagged to this sales agent are listed. To record payment for this agent, tick the patients that are being paid for. Click New to show the payment box. The commission amount is automatically calculated and filled up based on the selected patients and the commission's percentages. Specify the payment date here. Select the mode of this payment. Click Save to record this payment. Saved payments will be listed in boxes like this, called Payment Batch Box. There may be multiple payments listed based on the payment batches. Patients that have been paid commissions for will not have the checkbox at the beginning of their names. Patients that have been already paid commissions for may be hidden. Click Show All to show these patients. Clicking this payment batch box will color the patients that have been paid in this batch red. These are the patients that have been paid commissions for this batch, indicated in red fonts when the payment batch box is clicked. To delete a payment batch, click this icon. As the commissions payment for these patients have been deleted, the checkboxes are now available. Remember, if no checkbox is displayed, it means that patient has already been paid commission for. To identify the payment batch, click this payment batch box and the patients belonging in this batch will be indicated in red fonts. That's it. You're done.